Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to know and copy your tracking number for any purchase order on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Xianyu shopping app. Have you opened up your Xianyu shopping app? Next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you click on this particular icon right here to proceed to your profile. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on here. Scroll down right here. Here you go. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on here. And here you go. So once your order was shipped, you're going to have your tracking number right here. And for you to copy your tracking number, go ahead and click on here. And tracking number successfully copied. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to ship and import products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Xianyu app, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba or AliExpress or 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.